finna get on the ground, finna head to the QT, meet up with Lil Timer. Look at this thing. Yeah, man, I'm beating and everything. Tell me I'm late. Nigga, I gave you some more time. Nigga, I said I hate to have to put
10 minutes late, nigga.
I said I hate to have to pull up here and you won't be here. You see my face already?
I was getting it over here. I said, let me slow down. I know this nigga ain't gonna be here.
We is soaking wet. Look at this man, bro. Look at me. I'm officially retired from riding on the ground. This shit over, man. You two, I told y'all one capping. Oh my God. Bro, listen, I swear to God, bro. Look, man, check move, man. We had to go to Walmart and get a whole new fit, man. Y'all see? Whole new fit. We was soaking wet, but we made it out here. I don't play the prank a little time. I done hit his helmet and shit. Yeah, he was sick.
Sick to my stomach. I've been there crying. I told him to pull the camera over. I was police shit right there in my shit.
Where you going?
I gotta go tell everybody sorry. I'm getting off.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy YKTV and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm finna get on the Grizzle, man. So today I'm gonna take the CVO out. I'm waiting on Lil Timer right now. He gonna pull up on me. We're gonna meet up the QT over there by Harley. We're gonna go down in South Carolina, Columbia, whatever it's called. North Carolina, I don't know. We're going to Columbia, I think. I'm just joining the ride. So with that being said, I'm gonna wait on him, give me that call, then I'm gonna go suit up and boot up. I might take the CVO out today. It's been a little minute since this is my first ride out of town since my accident. And I'm excited, man. So back porch, waiting on Lil Timer. I'm over here watching this Ed Reed thing.
With all of your individual accomplishments, I knew how much you wanted to win the championship.
But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I suit up on the bike. Y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You dig? YouTube, so we got the bike outside. We finna get on the ground, finna head to the QT, meet up with Lil Timer. Look at this thing. I see y'all boys in a minute. I'll check in when I beat up a little time. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. You dig? Yeah, man, I'm beating and everything. Yeah, man, hold on. I'm put some gas in this bitch real quick. Yeah, tell them folks what we finna get into though, man. Hey, hit this. Hey, do that for me. Oh yeah, we ain't got the old shit either, man. We got that. Yeah. Tell me I'm late. Nigga, I gave you some more time.
Nigga,
I said I hate to have to put
10 minutes late, nigga.
I said I hate to have to pull up here and you won't be here. You see my face already?
I was getting it over here. I said, let me slow down. I know this nigga ain't gonna be here.
Damn. What's going on? Oh. Hey, you see the Corvettes over there? I go through that motherfucking burst rev on them. Hey, like the old days, man. Y'all don't know, man. This is how we started right here. We started.
It's the official band right here.
Yeah. Put some gas in this thing real quick. But yeah, this how we started, man. We started with the yellow girl, and we started with what's her name? What's her name? Dark Vader. Yeah. Goddamn Dark Vader. Yeah, we finna go and get on down this road, man. This motherfucker was on E1. This motherfucker was on E1. Huh? Yeah, man, you finna hit the road, man. So I'm gonna see if I get some rider footage for y'all, but I'll check back in a minute. You did? We is soaking wet. Look at this man, bro. Look at me. Hello. Oh my God, man! Like this joint is so cold. Look, hold on. Dang. Yeah. Hey, I'm officially retired. From riding on the ground. This shit over, dog. Woo! And then it's a big old puddles, bro. I thought it was gonna take me up out of here, bro. What the next gas station, bro? Fuck all that. What time is it now? What the next gas station? It ain't me. It's them. They driving fast as a motherfucker. They ain't even wet. Yeah, like, bro. Come on, I'm put the jacket on. We're gonna try to get somewhere. We still exit though. Get off of this motherfucker. Man, come on, let's do it, man. Oh, my shit cramping and shit. I told y'all one capping. Oh my God. Oh, I'm retired, nigga. I'm done. Hey. Bro, listen, I swear to God, bro. I lived in mirror, nigga. Lightning bolt right behind our motherfucking ass. I said, bro, I told this nigga when I see lightning, pull over. He don't want to listen. Now he in the motherfuckers to sue me, nigga. Oh, he done tore his shit up. Look at this, y'all. Oh, man, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. I'm hungry as fuck. I told this nigga, this time around, I'm eating. I'm finna eat them. I'm eating, bro. I ain't getting back in there, bro. I'm telling you I'm not. Got that 24 crew pulling up. That shit over there? What's up with it? Got the 24. Oh, they coming right? Yeah. New bikes. It says George on them. That's good shit. That's good stuff. So look, man, check move, man. We had to go to Walmart and get a whole new fit, man. Y'all see? Whole new fit. We was soaking wet, but we made it out here. Shout out my boy Lil Time for leading the way. Captain
Storm chaser, goddamn.
Yeah, we storm chasing.
All kind of shit.
Hey.
Bridges in the road.
Oh yeah, hey, I thought a bridge something hit me one time.
Just lightning.
But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all, man. I'll see y'all later on tonight. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And your boy is out. YouTube. Hey man, so y'all seen us come down here in the Tasami storm. Now we're finna try to make it on back in the sunny side. Yeah, dang. Hey, let's put it to the side, nigga. Let's put it to the side. Oh, shit. Can't take niggas nowhere. Ain't take niggas nowhere.
Nigga, I got everything on my goddamn hand while you on YouTube.
I told you what to do. Come on back and get him. What, just
Hey, man, only one broke.
only one broke? God damn, that motherfucker made a storm. How many we got in that motherfucker? But nah, we finna get on down this road. So, I done played a prank on my boy. Delete that motherfucker, man. So, I done played a prank a little time. I done hit his helmet and shit. But, we're finna see how this shit go.
That's the invite nigga from here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got him yesterday. I didn't know he ride like that though. Yeah, he on the CVO. These young niggas. See something? Got the yellow girl, we got that Darth Vader on this motherfucker, man. Hey, that's that song, nigga. Yeah, my boy. He a junkie, yo. No, that is fun. But that's how the fuck, dog. What's up with it, fam? She got the CVO thing, though.
You know it.
Yeah.
CV gang.
Yeah. Hey. What? That nigga told you. You should listen to your first. What the fuck? Bruh, you should listen to your first incident. You left a Harley Davidson helmet on the bike, a black one. Yo, this nigga talking about his helmet gone.
Man, call boss, man. That's what I said. Call the nigga.
Bruh, it's too hot, bruh. Hold on. You gonna let that old man with that CVO tell you, nigga?
Both left our shit out here.
My shit yellow, nigga.
What that mean?
What you gonna do with a yellow helmet, nigga? That shit ugly, first of all. You left an OG Harley Davidson
Nigga,
helmet.
you ain't say nothing.
That was my fault. Nah, that was my fault. I ain't got it, man.
Did I take it? I ain't take it.
Alright, so you two, I went to the room to get his helmet. Now I'm finna see his reaction. Y'all. Nah, he look like he's mad. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, he was.
Hey, man.
Yeah, he was sick.
Sick to my stomach. I'm in there crying. I told him to pull the camera. I was police here right there. My shit.
Hey, yeah, bro. Hey, y'all, he walked to the front of me. He went to go snitching.
Take it in the room.
Nah, I did that in the morning when I kept checking on the bikes.
Nigga,
Where you going?
I gotta go tell everybody sorry. I'm getting off.
Bro, he done went off on them folks, man. That nigga crazy. He done went off on them folks. Boy, that's the OG prank for the one time, man. But yeah, with that being said, man, I'm gonna tap back in when we get on the road, man. I enjoyed my first ride out here, even though it was raining. So hopefully this be a better ride back. So with that being said, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Your boy is finna hit the grizzle. I done made it home from my first trip after the accident. It wasn't the best trip, but it was the best trip. You know what I'm saying? So I got to ride with my boy a little time. We ain't rode in a minute. And I got to travel the world, you feel me? Even though it was raining. But before, when we got on the way back, we stopped to the round robin at Street Pirates. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to them. Good turnout. And then I just went home. But on the way home, I got wet again. Oh my gosh, look y'all, it's just crazy. But with that being said, I'm finna probably wash the bike. I don't know if I'm gonna show it on this video or not, but if I do, y'all gonna see it. Let's check the bike out though. We home. She home. But with that being said, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Your boy is out. Decided to rush the bike, man. Yeah. Need to get that chrome to go. Yeah, hold what you got.